the commodities available in the internet is the exploitation of children. Cybersex trafficking is a modern-day form of slavery. The only question is, when?
Uy, si Aling ka. Marami ka pala siyang kulang sa akin. Chat ko.
Hey everyone, this is a quick reminder to stay safe online. Cybersex trafficking can happen to anyone, and it often starts with someone pretending to be a friend, offering money, gift, or attention, but behind the screen the danger is real. Never share private photos, videos, or the personal information with a stranger. Once it's online, you will not take it back. If someone pressures you or make you stand for gettable, block them immediately and tell someone you trust. Your safety and dignity matter. Don't let anyone use you or your body for their gain. Stay smart, stay strong, and protect yourself online.